Hi humans, in this episode we're gonna be creating an Enderman farm and try to get good enchantments. This is a small villager trading hall that I made. It has some enchantments like silk touch, feather falling, and mending. And this must be all the stuff that I need. Also, the tutorial for the Enderman farm that I'm gonna be using is in the description. This is the first step of the farm. It takes quite long because the lava is flowing really slowly. Now, after placing the lava and making it reach the bottom, I will now place water next to it. The next step for this farm is adding ladders, and this part is quite scary. After placing all the ladders, now we can make a 128 block long bridge of glass. Now at this point, we can start building the farm itself. Not gonna lie, it will be better if this part had music. One very unlucky thing that happened to me in this part is that I am one layer away from finishing these square things and I just ran out of blocks. I am now currently building the final platform, and it is also the biggest one. Now we are almost done in the farm. Now I just need a few more blocks and an endermite. It took me a lot of time, but I finally got an endermite. And I also named it I like Morbius because I don't know. Right when I removed the torches, the farm immediately worked. It's a very noisy farm too. This part hurts my ears, but the XP orb part is satisfying. I wondered why it's only at level 20 enchantment. How did I not notice before? I tried fixing it and I was able to fix it at least. These are the enchantments that I got. They are not the best enchantments, but I'm gonna get to that soon. Pretty good enchantments if you ask me. while testing it out, I realized that it's actually pretty good. Wait, that baby zombie looks familiar. Huh, well that wasn't that hard. The only thing that makes it difficult is the lag. I didn't have Optifine. Bye humans.